We want to contribute towards aesthetic healthcare by sharing the crux of what we have learnt at Tamira. With the Tamira Shiksha Program, we aim to share the knowledge and broaden the possibility of aesthetic medicine. 12 years of solid experience in aesthetic healthcare has given us a plethora of wins and fails. By sharing these with junior doctors and related medical professionals, we expedite the learning curve. With the Tamira Shiksha Program, we offer 3 certificate courses for specific fields of aesthetic medicine and surgery. Months certificate course in laser, aesthetic medicine and trichology. 1 month certificate course in trichology, which includes both medicine as well as hair transplant surgery. 3 month certificate course for technicians in laser, aesthetic medicine as well as trichology. You can check the eligibility for each of these courses in the link given below.